writing effective business emails is crucial for clear communication and maintaining professionalism. Here are some important points to consider. Clear and concise subject line. Example, meeting rescheduled to June 20. Make it specific and to the point. Proper salutation. Formal. Dear Mr. Smith. Informal. Hi, John. Use the recipient's name and appropriate title. Briefly introduce yourself if the recipient doesn't know you. State the purpose of your email right at the beginning. Example, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to discuss the upcoming project deadlines. Moving on to the body of your email, it's crucial to structure your content with short paragraphs and, if necessary, bullet points to enhance readability. Clarity is key. Be clear about the purpose of your email and any action that is required from the recipient. And remember, conciseness is your friend. Keep it brief and avoid including unnecessary details that might dilute your main message. Now, let's talk about tone. It's essential to maintain a professional tone throughout your email. However, adding a touch of friendliness can make your email feel more approachable and personable, which can be particularly effective in building a rapport with your recipient. Finally, be explicit about the action items. Clearly, state what action you want the recipient to take. For example, you might say, please review the attached document and provide your feedback by Friday. This ensures there is no ambiguity and the recipient knows exactly what is expected of them. When it comes to attachments, always mention any attachments in the body of the email to ensure the recipient is aware. Before hitting send, double-check to ensure all necessary documents are attached. For instance, you might write, attached, you will find the project proposal. In closing your email, it's effective to summarize any important points or outline the next steps. Always offer to provide further assistance if needed. You could end with, thank you for your time. Looking forward to your feedback. When signing off your email, include your full name, title, company, and contact information. For instance, you might write, best regards, Jane Doe, Project Manager, XYZ Corporation, 123 46780. Always check for spelling and grammatical errors. Make sure the email is clear and polite. A helpful tip is to read it aloud to catch any awkward phrasing. Here's a sample email for better understanding. Subject, meeting rescheduled to June 20th. Dear Mr. Smith, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to inform you that the meeting scheduled for June 18th has been rescheduled to June 20th due to a conflict in our schedules. Please attach the updated agenda for the meeting. Kindly review it and Let us know if you have any questions or need further adjustments. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation. Looking forward to your confirmation. Best regards, Jane Doe, Project Manager, XYZ Corporation, 123 456 7890. Let's recap the important points. Ensure a clear and concise subject line. Use a proper salutation. Begin with a clear introduction stating the email's purpose. Keep the body structured and concise. Maintain a professional and friendly tone. Include clear action items. Mention and attach necessary documents. End with a polite and summarizing closing. Always include a comprehensive signature. And don't forget to proofread before sending.